According to latest reports, the second Scorpene-class submarine INS Khanderi has completed its acceptance trial successfully, and will be commissioned in the Indian Navy on 28 September, and the first ship of the Project 17A will also be launched on the same day at the Mazagaon Dock Limited. The experience gained in designing the Project 17 will be applied to the Project 17A, and this class will improve in terms of stealth and will feature better stabilization and have a discrete visual profile, and will be equipped with the Barracuda and BrahMos cruise system, along with RBU 6000 anti-submarine systems, 127mm Auto Melara, AK-630M system, and triple torpedo tubes. During his meeting with the Russian President Vladimir Putin, Prime Minister Modi has said that India is interested on transfer of technology, and India and Russia need to take advantage of the low production cost in India to produce military equipment under a joint venture framework at cheaper rates for export to third countries. He also said that India and Russia are against outside influence in the internal matters of any country, and both India and Russia want to see a strong, stable and democratic government in Afghanistan. Boeing India president has said that the Indian Defence Ministry had approved the procurement of 6 Apache helicopters for the Indian Army at a cost of 4,168 crore rupees, and the fuselages of these 6 Apache helicopters will be manufactured at the Indian facility. The operations at the facility have been ramped up, and the fuselages being made in India will also cater for export orders. During his 5-day visit to Japan and South Korea, the Indian Defence Minister had visited the Hamamatsu Air Base in Japan, where he was briefed on the functioning of F-15 fighter jet and Kawasaki trainer. Interestingly, the Japanese Air Force is looking to sell around 100 F-15 fighter jets and procure over 100 F-35 stealth fighter jets. The Chinese Air Force has showed off a formation of 7 J-20 stealth fighter jets in an official video. A considerable number of units are ready to fly the J-20, and while it has not disclosed the total number of J-20 at its disposal, these 7 J-20 fighter jets would have a significant striking capability with their air-to-air and air-to-surface systems. According to latest reports, negotiations between Pakistan and Egypt to purchase 36 used Mirage-V fighter jets for Pakistan Air Force has reached the final stage, and Pakistan is expected to sign the final contract very soon. Pakistan would also upgrade these jets with helmet-mounted display mission pods and night strike capability before putting them into operation. Dutch shipbuilder Damen shipyard has launched the second 2,300-ton corvettes for the Pakistan Navy at its facilities in Romania. The first ship is expected to enter service by the end of 2019, while the second one is set to be delivered by mid-2020.